time to get paid. Just relax, man, and you won't get hurt.
Don't do anything stupid.
Them the money. Do it fast before you get hurt.
Don't try anything foolish. We'll be watching. Just give us what we want, and no one gets hurt.
Them boy no play. Fast and wicked. Same way.
Oh, yeah. Thanks again. I'll lead you. Take it. This looks like a professional hit. A big job.
What do we have here? So that you see.
You're Detective Mendes from the Spanish Town Division, right?
Yeah. I was just transferred. Yeah, it's Detective Peart. Me hear a lot about you. We need to check all the cameras around here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, and see if anyone saw anything suspicious, you know?
These guys are good. Them no leave no evidence. Professionals.
Only one person would have eaten a robbery, man. Yeah, man, let's pay the local cook shop a visit. I don't know the boy we name Top Man.
No, me don't know nobody by that name.
You sure? Is there a Mr. Brown that lives on the street?
No, I don't know anybody by that name.
Are you sure about that? Yo, boss. Me there watch some police activity in the area. It seems like them a look for someone. Good looking out. Just not make them have no reason to pull you over. Me I go be careful. Yo, the police them a get too close right now. We need to be careful. Make sure everybody reaches the spot tonight. We have a serious meeting. We need to figure out what we are going to do about this. We need to find out who is Top Man. This money truck robbery, it cannot stand. I need spot checks on every car in the area, check when passing, and dust for fingerprints on the truck. We need all hands on deck for this one, Chief.
I understand, Minister. We'll deploy every available officer to apprehend these robbers.
Chief, we have a couple of leads on that money truck robbery. We're closing in. I will not stop until I find out who committed this robbery, Chief.
Top Man and Brownie now get away with this. The streets will put a face to the names. All right, listen up. I've come up with a plan to keep the police them off our backs for good. We need to keep a low profile for now. Don't hang with people you don't know, and watch out for informers. We must find out how the police know the name Top Man. Brownie, make sure the man them follow my orders.
Yes, boss. Me dey on top of it.
Renoir, go on, babes. You ready for your night on the town?
Yes, babes. Always ready for that.
All right, then it's set. I gotta stop by the club first and see what I go on.
Come here before you leave.
Just come with me now, then. Why you want to leave so fast?
I've been at the store all day, man. I'm ready for a break.
Yeah. Good on mate. I hope we got to know each other a little, because this is a serious case. No way this can go on in my city. I am only giving you 72 hours to find the money truck robbers. Detective Peart, if you can't deliver, this might be your last case. You, Miss Mendes, you will be back at the Spanish Town Division. We are going to give 100% effort on this, Chief.
You can't count on me, Chief.
Just chase shadows, you're here. The minister is fretting.
Chief, we need to check traffic flow and those dead spots where they don't have cameras.
The street will soon chat.
We need to figure out how they managed to get away with all that cash.
True. The security footage now show much. So how we gonna do this now?
We have to check all the street thugs them.
And try to get some info.
Do you know who owns this club?
Yes, the club is owned by Fab One from Sniper. So you work at this club, right? Were you here last night?
So what you telling me? You never see him last night?
No, I told you already. I wasn't there.
My ear say he's gonna be at the club tonight.
Are you sure? Because I need to find them. I can't believe that Biggs is involved in the robbery. Where you was this morning, Biggs? Around 9 a.m.
I was home this morning, officer.
You sure? Because if you're lying, me I go bust you so fast. You hear anything about a money truck?
No, I don't know about that. I just food me deal with.
Make sure, because me know your mother good. But wait. Why would Top Man use those cars? Unless... Who own the Sniper nightclub and what you know about Top Man and Brownie?
I have a strong feeling that the club is owned by Top Man.
Who own this club? Is it Top Man? Who I know? Funny, me just was gonna ask you the same thing.
Me? Why ask me? Do you know me?
Who name Top Man, you know him? Have any business here at the club? Or are you here if you have a good time? Yeah, just like me thought, keep walking, bro. Yo, boss, some dudes out here ask questions. One of them pull out a piece, but me handle that. Don't know who them be though.
Who them boy there? I must mad dog cronies them. We have to watch out for them too.
No say a word. Me done pre them already. Them dey on my radar.
All right then. Forward inside the club, everybody there, yeah? We will talk more about it.
Yo, Brownie is here now, and some of mad dog cronies was outside. They might try to push up on we. We have to pay more attention to them.
I'll be back.
You're looking great.
Thanks, babe.
So what do you think of the club?
It's beautiful and everybody loves coming here.
You fix it up nice.
Nice.
Business are going good now.
Thanks, babe. It was a challenge, but I did it.
The guys are here. Me I go run up back on that boy there. Me I go show him send up a play with us. Anything and anything.
Yo, get the tool them out of the car.
Me dep on it.
Concept on the beat. I'm born in the ghetto when we grow. But turning out bad man, know them want me for go. Know them want me for go. No girl or friend when me know.
The boy I gonna learn tonight that mad dog no play around.
We have to run, man. The car now wait for we.
True. Let go, we almost there.
Oh, them dudes mean business. Them almost shot me. Let me get inside. Give me that youth and hurry up inside before the police them forward.
Respect me, G.
Yo, run that track again.
You're good, man. How much of them attack you? 2 of them. The police them a go forward because them try to shut we down, brother. We can't let that happen, see? We need to beef up them security, make everybody know to watch out for anything. You understand? Yo, me had a long day, me I call it a night.
All right, my boy, you can take off. Me I go take Ren home.
Okay, babe, me I go take you home now. Some of my mad dog cronies shoot after Brownie outside.
How? No.
Is he okay? Yes, babe. He just went home.
Let's see who this. Good night. Can I have your license and registration, please?
Good night, officer. Can I ask you why you pull me over?
There was a report of shots fired, and you're coming from that direction.
Okay. Me actually was forwarding from my own boy place. Me never heard any shot though.
Do you know the nightclub up the street?
Yes. I pass it on a regular. Something wrong.
Well, that's where the shots were coming from.
Oh. Me never know that. Anybody got hurt?
No one got hurt, but I need to find out what happened and who did it.
Well, me will try help in any way I can.
So where are you heading now?
Home, officer. I had a long day. Can I say one thing? You are so beautiful.
You're good to go. Have a good night, sir.
Why you walk away? I mean, you're a beautiful woman. What's your name?
Officer Mendes to you. I am on duty. Have a good night, sir.
All right, my lady. I must see you again.
Did you shoot up the club? Why bring the heat to us?
Yeah, my boss. Just to send a message.
Who sent you to the club? Did you at least find out who is top man?
No, boss, no luck with that. That's when the youth out front stop we. I feel say top man own the club still, and youth out front was Brownie. Them nah fool me. All right then, for now left it there so. I know the police them a try to figure it out. We give it a minute, then strike. No say a word, boss. I go call off the dogs them. So Biggs, you really know the detective girl?
Biggs, so where you was this morning? Me hear say a police detective forward at your place.
At the restaurant, boss, and then the detective show up
and I asked question about a money truck robbery.
What else she asked about? Did she mention us in any way?
No, she never asked about us. But she did say, remember that she knows my mother.
You said she know your mother. How comes? Oh, she know your mother, that means she know you too.
Yes, she know me too. My mother was her teacher. But that's it, she thinks me just work at the restaurant.
All right, then just watch out. Make sure when she come around, use your head. Me don't talk.
All right, boss, me understand. Me I go leave now.
Steely, make sure you look out for that detective and watch over Biggs because him young.
Yes, mad dog, me got you.
JCF, everybody down. Get up. We're gonna move to the wall. All right, we're moving.
Just relax, nobody move, and nobody get hurt.
What are going on in here, boy? I don't think I don't run this place. All right, I don't know why I'm not there here. Let's make this easy.
Boss, the police them kick in the door of the yard and seized everything.
Yo, the police them raid the warehouse. How much people get catch, man? That's why you should have never go back at the club last night.
And I know, boss, me never did in my right mindset. The boy pissed me off.
All right then. It done happen already, and we can't do nothing about it now. But try get some more info upon the man them.
Boss, we have some bad news. The warehouse got hit by JCF and enough of the man them got caught up. Mike and Chris was in the warehouse. So me I guess them get hold by JCF.
Steely, I know we get hit. A mad dog place. I will tell you, say away. What? So why that me hear say happen? All right then, me feel better now.
Boss, you're not gonna believe what a mad dog crew post on them Insta.
If it no involve a mixtape, a bike wheelie, or them shirtless in a zinc yard, me not interested.
Nah, this time them serious. Mad dog say, top man a top fraud. The only thing him run is out of rum.
What? I want to kind of disrespect that. Rum shortage is a nationwide crisis.
And them tag you in it with a picture of you yarning mid-gun salute last week, calling it old boy tired of the war life.
Me was conserving my energy, brownie. War no require cardio, it requires strategy.
Them even say your goons couldn't rob a peanut cart if it did park up with keys inside.
A lie. Peanut man is license. We don't want them problems.
And get this, them say your next ice I go flop like them sound system clash last year. Remember when them box catch fire?
Flames of embarrassment. Me still smell the plastic. But wait, who really there behind Mad Dog crew?
Mostly Mad Dog himself and him cousin Steely.
Steely? Nah, man. Me no war with a wannabe artist.
Anyway, me meet a sexy police officer last night. Ah, man, she beautiful.
Be careful with that, my youth. Remember, she is a police, my boy. What? Everybody get down, move, move! Don't
try anything foolish. Faster, put it in the bag.
Good evening, Jamaica. We interrupt this program to bring you some breaking news. A little while ago, we just get reports of a serious incident down the halfway tree.